Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Today, I'm excited to show you how you can easily remove watermarks from any image using AI, and the best part, it's absolutely free! Let's dive right in! First, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's head over to watermarkremover.io by searching into the search bar. Now, click on Upload to select the image you want to remove the watermark from. Choose any image you'd like to remove the watermark from. Let's give it a minute to work its magic. Simply click on Download to save your image. And boom! The watermark has been removed, and there you have it. You've successfully removed the watermark from your image using AI for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!